We have this pigeon right in front of our door, and it's been here for some time, and we're really worried that it might die because it's really cold here, and this pigeon just keeps staying here all day long. I don't know if we should call animal center or something. I think the pigeon is too big, honey.
It's gonna fit.
No.
Yeah, it's warmer that way.
We need to put some cloth on top.
Oh, it's too cold, that's why. We decided to put this box for
Let me get some cloth, then I
our
can put
house. So if you guys know anything about this kind of situation, you guys should let us know. Because this bird might die. Should we call like animal center or something? Protection center? Because I don't know. I hope it stays alive and
What?
I hope it stays alive. It's too cold here.